Holy cow! Whoa!
People think I was kidding and overreacting.
That's a burn.
Do-it-yourself Del here with Matt, and we've got some kind of mystery going on.
These look like
We don't know what
frozen.
they are. And we purchased them recently from a traveling cart guy. And so I guess we'll find out.
Yeah, this one looks kind of like a,
Spicy.
yeah, like a, or not so much sherbet, but like frozen like ice.
Just
Edible
crack it
ice.
open and just eat it. And then
No, you
get
got a
some-
cookies and cream sort of ice cream thing, so I will take the cookies and cream if you want this one. So they look very good.
Yeah, they do. And they're cold. Verify that.
It's kind of this one's kind of melted on like the sides, but the ice cream's still frozen in the middle.
This stuff is red hot.
Is it spicy?
It's spice? Hmm?
Yeah,
Is it mango?
it's red hot.
I told you it looks spicy.
So
It's like ice cream.
we purchased this from the guy with the pushing the cart, who was of Latin extraction, and they sometimes have hot salsa kind of food items. So
So you got salsa flavored meatball. You got cookies still, or
Cookies and cream.
you think it's that still, or is it something else?
ooh,
I'm staking my bet on cookies and cream.
this is hot.
It's hot? Oh no.
Here, let's go for the green bean.
Yeah, that Cuisinart knife, that's a machete.
Alright, so you guys can
Chop
both have
those
half a green
bushes
bean.
in the
Yeah,
jungle
I'm
with
gonna
that
have a
knife.
green bean.
So this looks like a
That looks like lime.
Probably
a freezy pop, only this one's a super freezy pop. And we also purchased these three items at event type prices. So it wasn't grocery store type pricing, it was the event things. And let's see how this is. Yeah, this is a really nice freezy pop.
Yeah.
It's better than the ones that normally get at the store, at the grocery store.
I think it's more of a natural like lime flavor because the lime is really strong.
Yeah.
So this is better than the spicy stuff? That's
Cool
not-
you off.
This is an overpowering lime taste, by the way. And the normal freezy pops are not this strongly flavored.
This one looked spicy.
Yeah, this would be perfect for something on a hot summer day. And it's not like a mix of lemon lime, it's all just lime flavored.
And I noticed too on the packaging there's not much extra on it. So on the other one there's kind of a little lip that helps you to open it up. This one here, it takes that Cuisinart machete to chop it in and get at it.
So you get a lot for what you pay for.
For what this cost, you could easily buy a package of those a bag of those freezy pops at the store. A whole bag of them. But the guy who pushes the cart's got to make his living, so you can't fault him there. And these are better too. A lot better. Can't fault him there either.
I've never seen a popsicle this big. I wonder where he gets them. Like, it's crazy. Like, look how big this is.
Yeah.
It's like wider than 2 of my fingers. It's like, yeah, it's 2 of my fingers wide.
And the other ones at the store are watered down too. They're obviously not
Oh yeah, this one absolutely
the
is.
full force thing we got here.
I guess, do you want to spoon a little bit of that on this lid here? And I
Well,
guess I can try
I
it.
only touched the one
Is
side.
it like really
So-
kicking hot?
The side that is now facing you, I haven't touched.
Oh.
Go for it, April. Dig in.
It's really... We'll get some of the red in there. The super duper hot stuff. All it takes is a little bite. So we'll use this spoon. And it's like a hot salsa flavor, I take it. Holy cow! Whoa!
People think I was kidding and
That's a
overreacting.
burn. I can't tell what kind of pepper that
Is
is.
that your first spicy ice cream?
Yeah.
I said it was mango.
I think when I ordered, I said mango. Or orange. I just said orange, maybe.
Serrano.
Is it really that spicy?
Mm-hmm.
No way.
Yeah, it's hot.
Have it with a donut. Maybe it'll cool you off.
You're not the best judge of
It's like a
spice,
spicy... It's like spicy orange.
though.
Yeah,
Spice?
spicy ice cream does exist though. It's like a whole category that you haven't delved into.
Yeah, it's a spicy orange.
Next we'll have spicy milk. Take another bite. Get a lot of that red stuff.
For more.
If it was hot, if it was any stronger than that, I wouldn't be able to handle it than what it is. They
I don't
had to
get
have put like a jalapeno in there or something for like, yeah, they probably shredded a jalapeno really fine and like
Give it a bite again.
sprinkle it in there.
This is your first impression. Take 2.
Take 2. Yeah, this bite I taste the fruit first.
What fruit?
I taste orange.
So it's like spicy orange for you?
Mm-hmm.
This one doesn't seem to be so spicy.
Well, this one, it still has a burn to it, but I guess that was just the first time.
Yeah, you're getting used to it.
You build up a tolerance for it, I guess.
Alright, let's wrap it up. We gotta get you on plumbing.
Alright, so... Yeah, this definitely has a burn that lasts. Like, it's strong at first, and it just keeps on burning. Cookies and cream, very good. It's about what you'd expect. Alright, so, yeah.
I'm
See you
Freezy Pop.
next time.
I got troubles, Lord, but not today. 'Cause they're gonna wash away. They're gonna wash away.